Hey there, welcome to how to make wire spirals like these. You need two basic wire working tools, taper-tipped round nose pliers and a small sharp flush cutter. I'm using 18 gauge jewelry wire since it's so easy to work with. Cut a length of wire. The longer the wire, the bigger the spiral. Straighten out any kinks using your thumb and index finger and grab your round nose pliers to start making the spiral. For a small hole spiral, place the tip of the wire towards the front of the pliers. For a larger hole, start at the back. I'm going to make a small holed spiral. Place the tip of the wire in the round nose plier and using your thumb, bend the wire halfway round to form a hook. Now grab the hook and twist it so the wire curls in and kind of around itself. Lift and twist until you have a full circle. Clamp the wire circle firmly between your thumb and index finger and twist, lift and shift, twist, lift and shift, winding the wire around itself. Jewelry wire is really easy to bend by hand. Once you're happy with the size, squish the end piece down and trim the excess away at an angle with your flush cutter. Have fun, and thank you for watching.